welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to tell you about some GK quiz. First, the language spoken by the people by Pakistan. A. Hindi. B. Tamil. C. Sindhi. D. English. The answer is C. Sindhi. The world's largest desert is A. Thar. B. Kalahari. C. Sahara. D. Sonoran. Answer C. Sahara. The country that has the highest in barley production. A. China. B. India. C. Russia. D. Japan. Answer C. Russia. The metal whose salt are sensitive to light is A. Zinc. B. Silver. C. Copper. D. Aluminum. Answer B. Silver. The Central Rice Research Station is situated in A. Chennai. B. Katkat. C. Bangalore. D. Quilin. Answer B. Katkat. Mount Everest is located in A. India. B. Nepal. C. Tibet. D. China. Answer B. Nepal. Which soil is situated for agriculture? A. Red soil. B. Sand. C. Black soil. D. Peaty soil. Answer D. Peaty soil. Black soils are best situated for cultivation of A. Cotton. B. Rice. C. Cereals. D. Sugarcane. Answer A. Cotton. The device used for measuring altitudes is A. Altimeter. B. Ammeter. C. Audiometer. D. Galvanometer. Answer A. Altimeter. Gateway of India is A. Chennai. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. D. New Delhi. Answer B. Mumbai. The first chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission was A. Dr. C.V. Raman. B. Dr. H.J. Bhabha. C. Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. D. Vikram Sarabhai. Answer B. Dr. H.J. Bhabha. DDDT was invited by a Muslim. B. Rudolph. C. Carl Benz. D. Dalton. Answer A. Muslim. The gas used for making vegetable is A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. Answer C. Hydrogen. The chief of ore of aluminium is iron. B. Cryolite. C. Bauxite. D. Hematite. Answer C. Bauxite. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. Sharavati project is in A. Odisha. B. Kerala. C. Andhra Pradesh. D. Karnataka. Answer D. Karnataka. The country that was called as land of rising sun. A. Russia. B. Japan. C. Korea. D. Poland. Answer B. Japan. Pink city in India is A. Mysore. B. Karnataka. C. Hyderabad. D. Jaipur. Answer D. Jaipur. The famous intercoach factory ICF for the manufacture of railway coaches are situated at A. Kolkata. B. Borivali. C. Perambur. D. Chitrangarh. Answer C. Perambur. Deficiency of iron leads to A. Rickets. B. Malaria. C. Dental cavity. D. Anemia. Answer D. Anemia. The state which